In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a carousel slider in Squarespace. And you can set it up in just a few minutes. Whether you're brand new to Squarespace or simply want to enhance your website with something interactive, this is a quick and easy way to do it. First, log into your Squarespace account. On the home page, click Login. And if you usually sign in with Google, go ahead and choose Continue with Google to speed things up. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Now that you're inside the editor, navigate to the page where you'd like to add the carousel. Click Edit, then look for the option to Add Section. This is where you can insert a new block of content. From the menu that appears, select Images. This will allow you to create a gallery-style section. After that, switch the layout to Gallery View. This transforms your images into a slideshow-style display. Next, click Edit Section. To fine-tune the design, you'll see several layout options in a drop-down menu. Choose Slideshow, Reel. This is what converts your image gallery into a fully functional carousel slider. At this point, you can upload your images, adjust the order, and tweak the design so it matches your site's style. You'll see your images rotate smoothly, giving visitors an engaging way to browse through your content, and that's it. You've just added a carousel slider to your Squarespace site. It's simple, clean, and a great way to showcase photos, products, or portfolio pieces. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.